Hey everyone, in this video what we're going to do is we're going to solve the following partial differential equation using the integrating factor method. We're going to first find the general solution, and then given this data here we're going to find our particular solution. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our integrating factor to be e raised to the integral of 7t dx. Integrating we get e raised to 7tx. Now what we're going to do is we're going to multiply our PDE by our integrating factor. So we have e raised to 7tx multiplied by ux plus 7t times e raised to 7tx times u, and this is equal to 10 t cubed times e raised to 7tx. Now we can rewrite the left hand side using the product rule for partial derivatives. Doing so, we have the partial derivative with respect to x of e raised to 7tx times u, and this is equal to 10 t cubed times e raised to 7tx. If we integrate both sides of our expression with respect to x, on the left hand side we're just left with e raised to 7tx times u, and on the right hand side we have 10 times t cubed multiplied by e raised to 7tx divided by 7t plus f of t. At this point what we want to do is we want to divide both sides of our equation by e raised to 7tx. Doing that we get our general solution, which is u is equal to 10 times t squared divided by 7 plus f of t divided by e raised to 7tx. Now remember, we were given initial data, u of 0 of t is equal to t cubed. We're going to use this in our formula here to get our particular solution to our partial differential equation. We have u of 0 of t is equal to t cubed, which is equal to 10 times t squared divided by 7 plus f of t. Solving for f of t, we see that f of t is equal to t cubed minus 10t squared divided by 7. And to get our particular solution, all we need to do is plug our value for f of t into our general solution. Doing that, we have u is equal to 10t squared divided by 7 plus t cubed minus 10t squared divided by 7 divided by e raised to 7tx. And we could simplify this, but we're just going to leave it as this for the final solution. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this content useful. Make sure to like and subscribe if you did.